What is going on? This is Awais, and today I thought, how about I share with you folks an update about the GitHub Stars program. So a little bit of an introduction here is that I have created a bunch of open source software, and I hope that you have found some of that useful. I've won a couple of awards for it. I am part of several communities, tech communities like the Node.js community, WordPress community, GitHub Stars program, DigitalOcean Navigator, and Google Developers Expert program, and a bunch of other things. And I'm always super excited about developers and developer communities. Actually, as a matter of fact, I head the developer relation department at Rapid API, and I help companies understand developers and developer-led growth. So coming back to the topic here, GitHub Stars is this really unique program by GitHub where they recognize a bunch of open sourcers and their work, and they help them achieve more, and they take their feedback to improve GitHub, right? And every year in the GitHub Stars program, we have this conference called GitHub Stars Nova Conference. It's an internal conference, but every year they send us, this awesome swag. And I've been around the block. I'm part of the DevRel community, and I have yet to see, a better swag, box or whatever from any other conference as compared to the GitHub Nova conference. So today I thought, how about I go ahead and unbox the swag I just got for Nova 2021 conference. So let's do that. So here's the box that I got. It's a pretty cool box with the tape of GitHub Octocat on it, and you can see these stars. I think you could probably see one here, right? These are the logos from GitHub Stars program, which is amazing. The attention to detail here is just amazing. Blows my mind. So let's see what is inside it. Okay, come on. Nice. There's a card here and a bunch of frills, confetti that my niece loves to play with. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the box down here. Yeah, so let's read what is written on this particular card. We are excited to see you at the annual GitHub Stars Nova 2021 event, an exclusive two-day event for GitHub Stars, bringing you and the GitHub product teams closer together, be connected, and celebrate tremendous things that you do in the open source community. As a thank you, please enjoy the goodies in this box and blah, blah, blah. There are a bunch of details that I think I'm not allowed to share. So I'll leave this at that. And how about we jump inside this box and see, what's in there, right? So here goes nothing. Okay. So the first thing I got was this weird little box. If I open it up, oh, nice. It's a universal travel adapter, and it has USB ports in it. This is one thing I didn't have in my adapter, so I'm definitely going to use this one. Super handy. What else is in there? There's a nice box. Whoa. An Ember mug. I've been reading about these mugs for quite some time now. It's a mug that can keep your coffee or tea, whatever you are into, warm for I think a couple of hours, and you can control it with your smartphone. Let's open it up. Come on. Nice box, by the way. Oh my god. This is amazing. This copper color looks really good. I'm not sure if I can focus on it, but there's a GitHub Octocat, logo on it, which is engraved in. And this is quite heavy. Amazing. And I believe there's going to be a dish of sorts. Yeah, there's a tray, right? Nice. This looks really good. Thank you, GitHub. I'm gonna put this mug here, and let's move these things away a little bit. Okay, then I think there is this GitHub Rubiks cube. I think it's a GitHub Rubiks cube. Could be it's not. It's actually something else. It's I think that multi-dimensional traverse thingy that I read about. I have no idea how to arrange Rubik's Cube, so I think I just messed it up, but it looks pretty cool. It's made of wood. Thank you. Oh, nice. There's a GitHub key, GitHub Stars key for your keyboards. I have to think about what keyboard I'm going to put this in, but this could be a really good deploy button with, Raspberry Pi for your GitHub Actions or something like that. Amazing. Oh my God, there's a JBL by Harman, headphones, which is, I think, Live 460 NC noise cancellation headphones. They look pretty amazing. Let's open this up. Oh, nice. It also comes with, the GitHub OctaCat logo on it, engraved, which is pretty amazing. Okay, go on. I'm always clunky around boxes like this, so don't mind me. So here's the card for that Trettler thingy, this guy, it can be arranged in several different ways. I think it can be arranged in 17 different ways, which is pretty cool. What else is in there? Holy shoot! I just got a streaming deck from Elgato. Thank you, GitHub. This is something really amazing. So it's a streaming deck with like 15 LEDs on it, and you can configure these LEDs to show whatever you want. These are like hotkeys, but more dependable ones. So like if you are in any program, you click on one of these, there's software integration involved, and it will do what you want it to do. For example, I could, configure the brightness of this Elgato key light I have got here, or do a bunch of things, For example, if I'm live streaming, I could change the different panels or canvas of OBS or whatever. It's pretty amazing. And I think it can also show me things like my Twitter followers or something like that. And I think it can also show me, I get a build status for action. If I care about a particular repository, I think it should be able to show that. Let me actually go ahead and open this up. Oh, nice. And this is the version 2, I think, with a separate USB-C cable, which is going to be pretty handy. And the last thing I have here is a Lume Cube broadcasting lighting kit. And this is, I think, going to be pretty handy. I don't have a really good flashlight for my DSLR camera. It's right there. You're looking at it right now. And I think it's portable. Let's take a look inside the box. I think that is everything. So it comes with this nice stand, which can open up like this, which is pretty cool. Nice. And here's the Lume Cube. There you go. It's pretty awesome. There's a display on back of it, which actually shows you what kind of lighting you're using. I think I can configure the brightness of it. For example, here's the white light, and here's the this is the brightness. Here's the white light. There you go. And here is the brown light, or sort of off-white. And this is the one I like, right? So this is pretty cool, and I think there's a diffuser on top of it. This Lume Cube thing is pretty cool. This LCD panel is amazing. If I decrease the brightness, it can go up to like 5.5 hours. I'm not sure if you can see this. It's, there's a screen behind it, which is quite handy. And I think it can be screwed in like this on a DSLR camera or on top of the stand they sent us, right? Which is amazing. I'm gonna use this a lot. And I believe there's the skin, the diffuser skin, which comes in quite handy to diffuse the light that is being thrown at the subject, that you are trying to photograph or, take a video of. So this is pretty amazing. Nice. So there you have it. Pretty fun stuff this time, right? I'm going to just pack everything up, put it in there. Only if I could pack, right? There you go. Nice. Put all of this here and show you in one go. There you go. Think we are getting there. And there you go. Amazing swag again this year. Like it just blows my mind. I am sure my wife is going to be happy about it because I always forget to drink my tea and it always gets cold. I think Ember Cup is going to be super useful and everything else is super great. I'm super excited to try out the streaming deck. I am a big fan of automation. I think this thing is going to help me do more with the 15 keyboard extra keys that I could configure to anything. This is amazing. Don't forget to check out everything that GitHub has been creating recently. The GitHub Copilot, GitHub code spaces, GitHub actions. The new CLI is just amazing. And the new issue templating engine that you can create, the GitHub projects, all of this comes together and makes you a really, really productive developer. Thank you, Martin, Anisha, and everyone who was involved in sending this swag and setting up the conference, Nova Conference, that I'm super excited to speak on. And with that, I think I'll see you next time. Peace.